This is the present UK issue Basha, and I'd like to just run over, show you in close-up all the incredible features that make up this waterproof covering. But it's not just a rain shelter, a covering, temporary shelter. It is also a field stretcher, and it's made to endure and to be strong enough to perform that function. It's an incredible device. It's evolved over time. The size of it, this particular one, is 220 by 240. Apparently there's two sizes, but I'm not sure. You've got the old DPM camo, and this is the new version, the MTBP. They come with a stuff sack, usually when you buy them new, but sometimes they don't, they're taken out. I'll run through and just show you how it's made. It's made to an extremely high quality. It has webbing along two sides and through the centre, which is the ridge part, and it's very strongly and properly stitched. So this is extremely strong. It's nylon, and it's a very resilient variety of nylon. It's a very, well, I'm just overwhelmed at the quality. I've never really come across one or examined one, but I've had it for a time now, and I'm taken over with just the build quality. It is a good piece of kit, so I'm not going to say a lot more. I'll just run through and show you, and you can see for yourself. Here is the NSN number. Here is the ridge. This is the underside of the ridge as a handle. When used as a stretcher configuration, the sheet is folded in half. You have 4 handles along each side. It doesn't matter which way you fold it, because there are 4 handles on each side. That is the quality of the tie down with a ring. And that is the stitching on the handles. And that is the outside. The waterproofing is not a waterproof tape. They used a polyurethane adhesive to seal the stitching. Also tie down rings, loops. There's a handle. This is on the inside of the ridge. It comes with washing instructions. No bio, no jet wash, no bleach, no fabric conditioner, and don't iron. I would use no detergent whatsoever. That will remove the water repellency and probably affect the polyurethane adhesion of the polyurethane sealant. I would just use warm water and hang and dry. Who makes them? Where can you buy them? Well, it's by Lasco. They're the parent company, and it's their division, which is Keeler Tactical, and they produce military clothing equipment, I assume. They certainly manufacture this. It's made in Scotland, I believe. And you have the NSN number. So do a search with that and you'll come up with some retailers that sell this new. So they deal directly with Lasco Keeler Tactical Division. The cost of these are around £55. Now some seem to include the stuff bag and others don't, possibly taking out the stuff bag and selling it separately. They retail at about £10 on eBay. But just check that out and to ensure. So they're about £55. The whole weight of this is about a kilogram. That's with the stuff bag. Just looking after these, why I recommend to buy a new one is that if someone has washed these and they've not washed it in the correct manner, they will actually, in effect, it will affect how well it will work. It may need reproofing, but if you buy a new one and you keep and look after it and decide to sell it, well, you'll certainly retain most of the value. These are a very, very good piece of outdoor kit, and just everything about it is well thought out, and the build quality, the manufacturing of it and the attention to detail is just top quality, as I've tried to show to you. So I hope that's helped. Very few people talk about or show the close-up of these incredible devices. And it can also be used for rain gathering, because you can pitch it, and although it repels the rain, if you're thirsty and you get a rain shower, you might want to drink the water. So it's capable of doing that as well. Multitasking, multifunctional, very well thought out, and has evolved over time. Hope you've enjoyed looking over